Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making these pumpkin spice latte biscotti cookies. Like most of the recipes I come across on the internet, I found this one on Pinterest. I'll put a link in the description box below for you. Let's get started with the dry ingredients. In this bowl we have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 2.5 teaspoons of instant espresso powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. We're going to need some pumpkin puree, 3/4 of a cup to be exact. Now we're going to cream the butter and sugar together. You'll need 1 cup of sugar and half a cup of butter at room temperature. Add in 3 eggs, preferably 1 at a time. Mix this together until it's nice and creamy. Then add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Once everything is mixed, add in your pumpkin. Now we're going to add the dry ingredients. Line your baking sheet with parchment and carefully add on your dough. This dough is very sticky. I use this plastic spoon and just gently spread the dough out into a flat log shape. Go slow when spreading it out and just be patient. Try to use a very light touch. That seemed to work for me. I was going to place a second log next to this first one, but decided against it because the recipe does say it will spread, and I wasn't sure just how much it would spread. I'm glad I didn't because it definitely would have morphed into one large mess. Now that we're happy with our log, we're going to put it in the oven for 35 minutes at 300 degrees. Once it's done, the recipe says to take it out and wait 10 minutes before cutting, but I can't wait that long. I cut mine right away. I would suggest cutting straight down and lifting up if you want a clean cut. Right now the biscotti are really soft. So to get that crunch we're looking for, we're going to flip all of them onto their sides and bake them for 15 more minutes. Then we're going to flip them again on the opposite side and bake them for another 15 minutes. Once they're completely cool, we're going to add the melted chocolate. I used candy melts this time and I did thin it out a bit. If you watched my caramel apple video, then you know what I'm talking about. To thin out candy melts, I just added a tiny bit of vegetable oil. A little does go a long way. These tasted really good. I could taste all of the spices and the pumpkin flavor wasn't too in your face. Although I will say for me anyway, the latte part was very subtle. I'll probably try doubling the espresso powder next time. It could also just be the brand of espresso I used. We bought this espresso specifically for this recipe, so I can't say that I've tried it in liquid form. I guess we'll see next time if doubling the espresso does the trick. I hope you give this recipe a try. As always, thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like this video and would like to see more, please like and subscribe to my channel.